Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode from mksenglish.com. I'm Mark, and today we're talking about a topic many people have problems with. Why am I stuck below 600 on TOEIC? If you feel frustrated or like your score just won't move, don't worry. Today, we'll break down the most common mistakes that hold learners back, and I'll give you simple, practical solutions. Let's jump in. Many students focus on difficult grammar, but the truth is, you lose points on simple mistakes. For example, subject verb agreement. A very common mistake here is someone might say, he go to work every day. In this case, we should say, he goes to work every day. Incorrect tenses. I am work here since 2020. No, I have worked here. And of course, very common, missing articles. I have meeting? Nope. I have a meeting. Sure, these mistakes seem small, but they do add up fast. Okay, so here's a quick fix. Focus on accuracy first. Review the basics. Present simple versus continuous. Past simple versus present perfect. The articles a, an, the, and of course, countable and uncountable nouns. Practice making short, correct sentences each day instead of just learning new grammar. So, the second mistake that I want to talk about is careless listening errors. Students below 600 often miss questions because they don't listen actively. Some common problems here are hearing the words but not catching the meaning, getting confused by distractors. These are similar sounding answers, and not previewing answer choices. For example, the audio might say, the meeting was postponed to Thursday. The wrong choice would be, the meeting was canceled. Sure, it sounds possible, but that is incorrect. Okay, the quick fix I'm going to give you for this is, before listening, scan the answer choices. Ask yourself, what kind of information will I hear? The place, the time, number, action? The third mistake I want to talk about is weak vocabulary. Weak vocabulary is one of the biggest reasons learners stay stuck below 600. If you only understand easy English, your brain works too slowly during the test. Some of the common issues with this are knowing the word but not fast enough, only learning nouns, not verbs or adjective forms. For example, decision, decide, decisive, and not learning business vocabulary. And the quick fix for this one is build vocabulary in family and context, and also to learn common business English. For example, schedule, invoice, shipment, deadline, department, reservation. You should try to study 10 to 15 useful words every day and then use them in sentences. Also, keep listening to these episodes, right? Okay, so here's a quick practice tip. Try these daily routines. 5-minute grammar reviews for simple structures, 10 minutes of listening and transcript, and 10 minutes vocabulary review and sentence practice. Small, consistent practice beats long, irregular study sessions, right? Okay, so that's it for today. If you're aiming for 600 and want to break through that barrier, focus on fixing the basics. Clean grammar, careful listening, and strong vocabulary. Remember, you're not bad at TOEIC. You just need the right habits. If you enjoyed this episode, share it, subscribe, and follow MK's English for more TOEIC study tips. And also, check out our self-study TOEIC courses and YouTube lessons for free practice. Thanks for listening, and keep learning every day. See you next time.